Welcome to Cute Quality Manager, or cuteQM, the ultimate software solution from Cute Infocomm Solutions for managing QA processes in the fabrication of pressure vessels and heat exchangers. Imagine a time before cuteQM. QA inspectors had to manually prepare inspection reports using Excel and Word templates, repeating header and footer details, and printing out each report. After getting the necessary signatures, these reports were filed away. Even though the vessels were ready and shipped, the Manufacturing Data Report, or MDR, often lagged behind, causing delays and confusion. Missing documents were common, and the lack of transparency led to delays in payments and project completion. But now, with cuteQM from Cute Infocomm Solutions, the process is streamlined. Reports are generated from templates, and progress is automatically reflected on the management dashboard. Signed documents are scanned and uploaded into the system, often automatically. This ensures that when a vessel is ready and shipped, the MDR is either complete or clearly indicates what's needed to finalize it. Transparency is achieved across the board. cuteQM offers a comprehensive suite of functionalities designed to streamline your QA processes in the fabrication of pressure vessels and heat exchangers. Easily create and manage inspection test plans to ensure all inspection requirements are met. Generate detailed Weld Map Reports for precise tracking of welds and their associated data. Manage joints and define their NDT, non-destructive testing requirements effortlessly, ensuring compliance and quality. Prepare and maintain comprehensive material inspection reports for accurate documentation. Efficiently manage material test certificates to ensure all materials meet the required specifications. Organize and maintain an accurate bill of materials (BOM) to keep track of all components and materials used. Generate and manage a cutting plan for BOM, ensuring precision in material usage and minimizing waste. Prepare fit-up reports to document and verify the correct alignment of components before welding. Create and manage weld visual reports to ensure all visual inspections are documented and compliant with standards. Organize all NDT reports efficiently. When a defect is detected, log the defect against the welder and manage the repair joints accordingly. Effectively manage all dimensional and alignment reports to ensure accuracy in measurements. Assist in the preparation and organization of hydrostatic leak test reports. Various other miscellaneous reports can be prepared and organized. With all these reports in the system, it is now preparing the MDR, which is easy for cuteQM. cuteQM is licensed at the site level by Cute Infocomm Solutions, with no limitations on the number of users or projects. It also has a specialized module for skids, FPSOs, tanks, ships, and more. For more information or to discuss how cuteQM from Cute Infocomm Solutions can transform your QA processes, contact us at 6569042340 or 6596307615. Visit our website for further details. Upgrade your QA management with cuteQM today.